So now I miswired this in the last video, and I added a capacitor to help stabilize the supply voltage. But in case, we have a low voltage shutoff circuit using an op amp, LM358 right there, and a Zener diode, which sets a reference voltage. We have a Trimpot so that our signal voltage changes. But in any case, we were at 11 volts, LED is on. When I get to 10 volts, right at 10 volts, it should shut off. I'm at 10 volts, it's still on, 9.9 volts, there, it shut off. Now, we lowered the voltage enough where it shuts it off. Thanks to positive feedback, now we're going to have to raise the voltage an extra amount. It's not going to turn on right at the voltage where it turned off. Instead, we got hysteresis right there, where we have to raise the voltage a bit. Now, we can go up to 12 volts with this circuit, and perfectly fine, and whatever. It's just when we get above and below about 10 volts right there, and then now we got to go up to about 11 volts, turn it back on.